Hello, wonderful people. Namaskar. Welcome to the another episode of Simply Pallavi. आज हम बात करेंगे उस अनएक्सप्लेनेबल कनेक्शन के बारे में जो अक्सर हमें होता है when we meet somebody for the very first time and we feel like that we know this person since ages. Amongst the humongous list of signs and symptoms जो मैं यहाँ पेश कर सकती हूँ, few I'm going to share with you. The very first amongst them is you feel drawn towards them. Those people or that person is like a magnet for you, and you just feel like pushing or getting attracted towards them. Without any reason, you just enjoy their company. वो क्या बोलते हैं नहीं बोलते हैं, हर चीज़ आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अच्छी लगती है because you have common interest, common likings, common dislikes, and you just feel home with them. Second and most important, you are just simply you with them. आपको कोई भी मास्क कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं अपने फेस पर, अपनी पर्सनालिटी पर. आपको प्रिपरेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है उनसे मिलने के लिए, बात करने के लिए. आपके पास न्यूमरस टॉपिक्स हमेशा अवेलेबल होते हैं एंड यू नो दैट द पर्सन इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू जज यू ऑन योर परसेप्शंस, थॉट्स, अपीयरेंस, नथिंग. इट्स गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट यू द वे यू आर एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स यू मोर कंफर्टेबल बीइंग विद देम. थर्ड, और ये बहुत हद तक एक रीज़न भी हो सकता है क्यों ऐसे कनेक्शंस बनते हैं, उसका भी एक रीज़न आंसर हो सकता है आपके लिए, दैट यू बोथ हैव कम फ्रॉम अ सेम प्लेस ऑफ पेन्स और ट्रॉमास और द सफरिंग्स और द प्रॉब्लम्स. कहते हैं द पेन मेक्स you more stronger, and if the other person has shared or has gone through a same level of pain in their lives, you respect that person more. You know that he has come out as a winner, or even if not as a winner, you empathize with that person if he's still dwelling in that pain. So you relate with that person. तो वो जो पेन फैक्टर है यहाँ पे, जो सफरिंग फैक्टर है यहाँ पे, जो आप दोनों में कॉमन है, वो भी एक बहुत कहीं हद तक एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फैक्टर बन जाता है to create such kind of unexplainable strange reaction when you really feel like drawn towards that person, when you really feel like giving your more love, warmth and support to that person. So that's it guys, those were the three main relationships points, the signs I wanted to share with you. Such relationships are absolutely pure, divine. These are called soulmates relationships, and they can be romantic, they can be platonic as well. There is definitely not an element of any sexual affinity towards each other. It's barring any gender, age, social classes. It's beyond all these things. So just keep that in mind. This soulmate you can find in your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, or in your mother, your neighbor, your fast friend, anywhere, in your guide, in your mentor, in your coach. This soulmate relationship can be with anyone. So do find it out by yourself किसके साथ आपका ऐसा कनेक्शन है, और अगर है, बना है, तो please nurture it with more love, warmth and care, because that's really important. Take care guys. I'll see you again with some another interesting topic. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment and let me know how do you like this video. Take care guys. Bye bye.